Let's learn pronouns. Him, him. I like him. Her, her. I like her. He walked to the park. She walked to the park. The book is his. The book is hers. I like his shirt. I like her shirt. He did his math himself. She did her math herself. I like candy. I want to take a walk. I enjoy playing tennis. You like candy. You want to take a walk. Would you like tea? Me. She doesn't like me. He gave me a gift. Can you help me? They went shopping. They have a cat. Them. Give them candy. I gave them a book to read. There. That's their house. The kids shared their toys.